K-Paw Live.
This segment has been pre-recorded for Thursday, September 3rd, 2020.
My name's Chloe.
And my name's Bailey.
Stanley High School empowers our students to become graduates equipped with the values, confidence, and skills to be successful in academics and in life.
Please take a moment to say the Pledge of Allegiance with your class.
There are no birthdays today.
But if it's your birthday,
Happy birthday.
Our weather today is a high of 90 and a low of 72 with a 20% chance of rain.
We still don't have the lunch menu, but you know the lunch will be delivered to your class.
Our announcements today are, if you would like to join FCA, please talk to Ms. Nolan for further information.
FCA will be meeting every Wednesday via a Google Meet.
Students, check your school email throughout the day for any updates.
Remember, school is still 5 days a week. Log in every day, and if you don't submit your assignments due at a certain time and day, it could result in a significant grade penalty.
For anyone wanting to try out for K-Paw, we will have tryouts as soon as we are back to our normal schedule.
The lead vocab word of the week is vaccination. Vaccination is the administration of a vaccine to help the immune system develop protection.
An example of vaccination is, in 40 years of registration statistics, he maintained that vaccination is useless and dangerous. Oh. So, as you know, today is Friday. So our new fun fact is,
Fish and cough.
they cough to clean their gills.
Yeah. Our prostration for today is, never fear the shadows. They simply mean there's a light shining somewhere nearby.
By unknown. Okay. Thanks for tuning into K-Paw Live. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and go like our Facebook page. Bye!
Am I supposed to say that with her?
Like, comment,
I forgot our prostration. They literally cough to clean their gills. I said gills. Gills.
They have to clean that cash.
So your new fun fact.
It's not how I expected that to go.
Statistics,
An example of vaccination is, in 40 years of registration oh wow. Oh wait, yes we do. I'm so sorry.